How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 Firebird done in its original Fathom green with the midnight green interior. Super nice car. This is a numbers matching 350 car. It's got the original motor. It's been hopped up a little bit. Nice clean car, original panel car, original floors. See, it's nice and straight down the sides. Rear bumper's been re-chromed or replaced. Tail lights all look real nice. They did do a rear spoiler on the car. Tell you, this Fathom green looks good on these cars. It's got to say your Rev Classic wheels on it. Got your disc brakes up front. It's got power steering. It's got the halo headlight upgrade. See, the front bumper's been re-chromed as well. The grills look real nice. They did do a nice mild cam in it. Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. Been updated with the HEI ignition. Also has tubular upper and lower A-arms. Handles really nice. See how nice and clean the doors are. Interior is real nice in the car. Dash looks good. Does have a retrofit AM/FM stereo with the iPod connector. Got new headliner, nice and tight. Seat covers all look real good in the car. Look like they've been replaced. Front and rear is also. Got your original center console. See, the jams are nice and clean in the car. Nice flat paint on the car. Trunk's nice and clean. It's got your spare. Comes with the car cover. And we also have another set of the scoops for the hood. These are the closed scoops. It has open scoops on it for your air induction. Got a nice trio of gauges down there. Keep an eye on the motor. Dash pad and everything looks real nice in the car. All new carpet. As well as your seat covers. Door panels appear to be the original door panels in the car. Nice clean jams. Got a nice factory exhaust and the dual 2.5 inch duals out the back. Fires right up. Say, I really kind of like the halo headlights and parking lights in the car. It's really neat looking. Sounds good out the exhaust. Hey, this car drives beautiful. Cruises right down the road. I've driven the car about 50 miles myself. fun car to drive. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.